All right, well, Brooke, thank you so much for agreeing to help us answer some of these questions that we have. One thing I need to or want to let you know is that this is not about having you answer the questions correctly or quickly. It's actually about figuring out how you think about figuring out the problems. Okay, what do you do to solve the problems that we're going to ask you? That's the important part. Okay, you can use those crayons that are next to you. You can use these blocks, or you can use the marker and paper that you use there. Yeah. Okay, Brooke. So how old are you?
10.
10, and what grade are you in?
5th.
5th grade. Fantastic. So you know then about multiplication and division, then, right?
No.
No?
I'm
sure you do.
I can't. I'll know it today.
Well, the questions that I'm going to ask you actually deal with multiplication and division. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay.
Fantastic. All right. First question is, so Cameron has 15 crayons. He put the crayons into 5 boxes with the same number of crayons in each box. How many crayons are in each box?
How many crayons does he have?
He has 15 crayons.
How many boxes?
And there are 5 boxes.
So how many would he have in each box?
That's
3.
The answer is 3. Before you knew the multiplication table, how would you have tried to solve that problem?
So if he has 5 boxes, I'd probably draw 5 boxes.
Okay.
It's gonna take a while. Okay, 5. He has 15 crayons.
Mm-hmm.
I'd probably put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
I see. And so then you would have counted how many in each.
Like I would count while I did it to see that it works.
Fantastic. Okay. I have another question that's similar to that. This one is, so Cameron grew 24 inches in 8 years. If he grew the same number of inches each year, how many inches did he grow every year?
How many years?
8 years.
3.
3. Fantastic. And again, this time maybe can you show me using the blocks? How would you have come up with that same answer using the blocks?
So in 8 years?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's just ignore that because I'll get mixed up.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to change the color. I hope you have 8 of these.
Okay.
Yeah, you have 8.
And those are blocks of 4 each, right?
This is supposed to represent 8 years.
Oh, I see.
1 year each.
Okay.
Because I don't need it. Okay, so okay, you probably use 2s, maybe.
Okay.
Okay, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 20. Whatever, there's supposed to be 3 in every group, okay?
Okay.
In the end, there's 3 in every group. Okay.
So that would be the answer then, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. All right.
I just didn't do it right with blocks.
No problem. You did great. Okay. Well, let's go on to the next question. Next question is, Cameron has 20 crayons.
Okay.
He put 5 crayons in each box. How many boxes can he fill?
How many crayons?
He has 20 crayons,
And
and he put 5 crayons in each box. How many
4 boxes?
4 boxes. Can you tell me a little bit about how you solved that problem?
5 times 4 is 20.
5 times 4 is 20. Okay. Now again, can we go back just a little bit and think about how you might have solved that problem?
You can put 5. Okay, you don't have 5. Screw it. Okay. You can put 5 in each box. So 5, 10, whatever. Yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20. There's 4 groups of 5.
4 groups of 5. Fantastic. Okay, good job. All right. Here's another similar question. Okay. If, say we have ice cream cones cost $2 for each cone, how many cones can you buy with $18?
How much do they cost?
They cost $2 each.
$2. You have $18. How many can you buy? 9.
Okay, that was fantastic. Is there a particular way you might have solved that problem earlier that didn't involve just dividing 18 by 2?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem.
I never would have been given that question at that age.
Yeah, so. I see. When would you have been given that problem?
When? Last year.
Last year?
We knew how to divide and multiply last year.
I see. So last year, how would you have first solved it? How were you asked to solve that problem to begin with?
Like, they may ask me about like something else because our math books usually don't talk about ice cream or prices.
Or prices, huh? So that's kind of something a little bit new, huh? Cameron has 6 boxes of crayons. There are 5 crayons in each box. How many crayons does Cameron have
30.
altogether?
Right, 30.
And maybe you can take us back to when you first started learning multiplication. Can you think of how you might have done that exactly?
We try to make little boxes.
Mm-hmm.
So far I don't have enough here to make boxes. Make 6 boxes with something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then I would put each. I think that's a box. Okay. And then.
Oops, you forgot one box.
Oh, oops, I have a box. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
And 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 5 plus 5 is 10. 20 plus 10 is 30.
I see. Fantastic. Okay, thank you so much.
So hard.
All right, so last question. You ready for it? You want to give you a little time to organize yourself there a little bit?
Okay. I'll just do it later.
Sure, we can do that when we finish. Okay, so, well, here's a unique one, all right? We're just going to have 2 rivers, River A and River B, okay? River A is 3 times as long as River B. Okay. River B is 5 miles long.
So it's 5 miles.
5 miles, yes.
And this one is times 2 of
3 times as long as River B. Okay? So how long is River A?
15.
How did you come with that answer? Very simple. You just multiplied 3 times 5 and got 15. I see. And would that have been difficult for you maybe about a year ago before you knew your multiplication table and how to break down a word problem like that?
I don't know. I may have had to do 5 plus 5 plus 5. I'd probably do that.
So you had to have broken it down just a little bit?
Yeah, I'd probably do that.
Okay. All right. Well, you did great. Well, thank you, Brooke. I appreciate your help. And you really helped me to understand how you think about math. Thank you so much.